Have you ever wondered what really goes into a quality sofa before it ever makes it to your home? Hello, friends. My name is Jennifer Davenport, and I'm glad you're here. If you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to receive notifications when a new video comes out. Now, if the thought of buying a sofa feels overwhelming to you, no worries. I've put together some very important questions that you'll need to ask your salesman. But before we get into that, I recently got to visit a furniture manufacturer, Norwalk, and it was fascinating to say the least. Let's take a look. Norwalk Furniture has been in business for over 100 years. And one of the most unique things about them is that they're employee owned. So the people building these pieces actually have ownership in what they're creating. And you can feel that when you're there. So many of their employees have been there over years, even decades. And that's a level of pride and care that you just don't see everywhere. In fact, every single piece is touched by, listen to this, 100 hands before it ever leaves the building. That is not mass production, that is craftsmanship. And here's something I always tell my clients: a higher quality, more custom sofa can cost more up front, but there's a reason for that. A lot of lower priced sofas may look great at first, but after a year or two, they lose their shape and they're not as comfortable, and you're already thinking about replacing it. And when you do that twice, you've often spent just as much or more than if you had invested in something well made from the beginning. As a designer, I'm not just thinking at how something looks today, I'm thinking about how it's going to live in your home 5 and 10 years from now. So before you buy a sofa, let me give you a few questions to ask the salesperson, because the answers will tell you everything you need to know about quality. And I've put all these questions into a free PDF that you can download and take with you when you shop. It'll be in the description of this video. Number 1, what is the frame made of? Look for solid hardwood construction like kiln-dried hardwood, because that gives you strength and durability. What you want to avoid is particle board, plastic, or soft woods, because those materials can weaken or warp over time. Number 2, what type of cushion is used? Ask about cushion construction and foam density. High quality cushions will hold their shape and comfort, while lower quality ones can flatten quickly and lose support. Question number 3, is this fabric durable, and is it performance fabric? Not all performance fabrics are the same. Some are just more durable, but others, like this Krypton, it's designed to actually repel liquids instead of absorbing them. So be sure to ask your salesman what type of performance fabric it is. Number 4, is this sofa bench made or mass produced? And if you're not familiar with that term, bench made simply means it's built by hand, not rushed through a production line. And that usually means more care, better craftsmanship, and a higher quality piece overall. Number 5, where is the sofa made? So where it's made can reflect the quality and the craftsmanship. Established manufacturers often offer better consistency and stronger standards, And that can make a real difference in what you bring home. And number 6, what's the warranty? A strong warranty reflects quality. Pay attention to coverage on the frame, the cushions, and the fabric, because longer warranties usually indicate better durability and a company that stands behind what they make. For my sofa buying checklist, remember to just go to the description of this video to download. Most people walk into a furniture store and look at color and style first, but the real value is in what you can't see. You're making an investment. And once you understand what goes into a piece like this, and once you know the right questions to ask, you start making completely different decisions. And that's how you end up with something you truly love for years. Okay, I will see you in the next video.